Wow guys, the moment I found out this step that working with Jumia is so easy like this, like my life has been so great. That's why I said let me share this step with you so that you too can earn money from Jumia. If you love that or you love how that sounds, please click on the blue like button to like this video. Please, it will tell YouTube to push out this video to many other persons. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for returning back to this channel. If you came across the channel right now, please click on the red subscribe button. It would cost you a dime. Please click on the red subscribe button, because in today's video I'm going to be teaching you exactly the way I earn from Jumia. If I can earn from Jumia, it means you too can earn from Jumia. So please, if you've clicked on the blue like button and the red subscribe button, thank you for doing that. And then let's get into the video immediately. So I just found out this step that Jumia can pay people just to advertise their product. Like, Jumia can pay people for that. Now, what you just need is your internet connection and Jumia, and sometimes your Facebook account. But what you just actually need for now is Jumia, your internet connection, and your Facebook. That's what you just actually need. Now, if you can come over here, I've made the videos about Jumia affiliate and how to make money Jumia affiliate. Now let me just explain to you what Jumia affiliate is. Jumia affiliate is a way of recommending Jumia's product to other people, and once they use your link in buying that product, you get a commission. As easy as that. For example, now this particular phone, let me say this iPhone X. Now I want to promote this product. If I promote this product to someone and that person now buys this product using my affiliate link, I'm going to get paid a commission. That's just it. Now let me show you how I get sales from this Jumia particular stuff. The first thing I'm going to do, I will go over to my Facebook. Let me just show you a sample. As you can see, this is my Facebook. Then I went over to phone repairing. As you guys can see, phone repairing go, and then I posted and I posted, what phone do you want to buy? And as you can see, people are telling me the phone they want to buy. Like this particular person is telling me want to buy Oppo Reno 9, Spark 7 Pro, S22 Galaxy, Samsung S8, and Camon 16. These are the phones people are telling me. Now I will send these people to my DM, like they should message in my DM, and once they message me in my DM, I'm going to tell them the price for the product, and if they love it, and if they say yes that they want to purchase it, I'll go and make my link from Jumia affiliate and send it to them. And once they use my link to purchase this product, I get paid a commission. I've been doing this for quite some days now. The moment I found out about this, I doubled down on it immediately. I didn't even wait for any minute or any second. I just started doing it. Now let me show you how this particular thing goes. Now you come over here and start posting. It's not only phone you can do. There are other accessories that are on Jumia, but me, I just love doing phone, because this phone has higher commission, because the phone they are expensive. So the more expensive the product, the more higher your commission. So I don't go for that, but you too, you can go for others. As you can see, there are supermarkets, health, beauty, home and office, phone, computing, electronics, and if you still scroll up, you still see more. So what you just have to do is to come and find your affiliate link, to get your affiliate link. And once you've gotten your affiliate link, the next thing you have to do is to come over to Facebook and post something like this. And once you post it, you see people like this. As you can see, I told this one message me. So once that person messages you, now you send your link to them, and once they use your link to purchase your product, to purchase the product from Jumia, you're going to get paid a commission instantly. If you don't know how to get your link, your affiliate link, and all the rest of that, do not worry. I've already done a video about how to get your affiliate link from Jumia. Just check the video down there in the description box so that you can get the video, watch it, and compile it with what I've said in this video and start making money out of Jumia. It is so easy, cool, and fantastic. Just get your affiliate link. Check the first video in the description box so that you watch it to know how to get your affiliate link. I hope the video was quite educative and helpful. Please, if it was, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Leave a comment if you have any question, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.